After attending culinary school in Italy, I have become obsessed with infused extra virgin olive oils. Now, a lot of times people buy these, but I'm here to tell you that they're super easy to make and they taste way better when you make them yourself. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make this 2-ingredient rosemary infused extra virgin olive oil. It just takes a little bit of time and then you can use it to finish off lots of different dishes like pasta or vegetables, and it's going to give your dishes lots of amazing flavor. Don't forget to subscribe to stick around for lots more Italian-inspired cooking videos. Add 16.9 ounces of extra virgin olive oil to a saucepan along with half an ounce of rosemary. The method that we're infusing olive oil today is called a hot extraction, so we're going to need some heat. Place a saucepan over medium-high heat until it reaches 230 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer. Then remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the oil to cool until about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooled, remove and discard the rosemary. Then we're going to repeat this process 2 more times by adding in an additional half an ounce of rosemary into the saucepan and then heating it and cooling it 2 more times. What this does is it allows us to get a really bold rosemary flavor infused into our olive oil. After the last batch is cooled, strain and discard the rosemary. Then you can store it in a dark colored bottle with a sealed lid away from light and heat, and then use it on top of all of your favorite recipes to add a little extra flavor. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.